This is a demonstration of the OR and the AND statements. These are logical ones here. What I'm going to do here, this shows you what the formula looks like. I'm pulling it up here. You can put up to 255 conditions. We're doing an OR in here. What I want to do in here, I'm going to do this in two parts here. I want to just say in the first one here, it says, I wrote it down here, 25 years of service or more, or 55 or over, they can retire. So that would be true or it would be false. So I go into here, I'm on the formulas tab here, I click on logical, and then I click on OR. I'm just going to do the first one here. I want to just say if the age is, or the years of service is greater than equal 25, it's saying false, he's only been there 22 years, or if the age is 55 or more, it's saying true. And it puts other windows down here. And if I want to just say if they have an MBA degree, they can retire. And I click inside here, and I could just say greater than, or equal, I should say. And if it's a text string, put quotes around it. Quote, and I just say, okay. So I've got that in there, okay. Oops, didn't mean to move it down. Pull it down, as you all know how to do that. Now, next thing here, let's say you want to remove a condition here. We don't want that MBA there because you could have young puppies retiring. I could just go into here, hit the delete key, say OK. And then if I pull it down, this Jane cannot retire. Now, I'm going to talk about the AND statement. I'm working with Excel 2013 for the PC. On the Mac, doing the formulas is a little bit different, but it works the same. It is transparent. You create a file in one version, it opens in the other. You can also type it in here. I've got the same thing here. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to do this twice. I'm going to type the formula in, and I want to say that they have to meet both conditions. I'm not putting in a degree column at this point. You can literally type it in. I would type in equal AND. It gives you a bubble there, and then the first test is the years of service greater than equal to 25, comma, to separate the arguments, the age greater than equal 55, close the parenthesis. It's saying true because that person, now let's say we're requiring that for them to retire, they also have to have an MBA. You're in charge of human resources at a company. You could actually click inside here and add another row, or you could actually go in here after the 55, type in a comma, and then the degree equal, quote, MBA, quote, close this out. That is true. And then this person, Juan, doesn't have that MBA. However, we change his grade to an MBA. Yippee, he can retire. So that's doing the AND or the OR statements. They are very useful for actuarial purposes. They're also good if you're in the medical environment where you're trying to meet different conditions to find out how to analyze a patient's condition, future treatment, where you could have, as I said, up to 255 conditions to be met.